Hello guys and welcome to another new video of home decor series. So are you looking to add a touch of green to your home decor? Adding indoor plants to your home has got multiple benefits. They purify the air and embellish our homes by simply adding on to the aesthetic value of the space. However, it is important to pick the right kind of plants, the ones that can thrive indoors and grow well with basic care and watering. So here's a list of low maintenance indoor plants that you can choose from. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so by clicking on the subscribe button right below. So let's get started. Number 1 is snake plants. Snake plants are common succulents popularly known as mother-in-law's tongue. It is one of the most recommended plants for improving air quality. The optimal place to keep this relatively inexpensive and low-maintenance plant is the bedroom. It converts carbon dioxide into oxygen at night and is the best cheap plant for improving indoor air quality. If you plan to have a snake plant in your home, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Number 1 is do not overwater. Too much water is this plant's weakness, so place a snake plant in a well-drained pot to avoid overwatering as it can cause rotting. Only water the soil when it's completely dry. Number 2 is indirect sunlight is the best. Partial sun works best for snake plants, though it can still grow in darker corners or in brighter window areas. If completely shaded, the plant can dull and the leaves may become a bit floppy. So consider adding a snake plant to your home for both aesthetic and health reasons. Number 2 is the money plant. This is one of the most popular Indian plants which is easy to grow in both soil and water. The money plant improves the air quality in the house and according to Feng Shui principles creates a harmonious environment and brings in prosperity. According to both Vastu and Feng Shui, money plants should be kept indoors in southeast direction of your living room or hall. In Vastu, southeast direction owner is Lord Ganesha and planet that rule is Venus. This is why Vastu experts prefer money plant in this direction. Number 3 is the lucky bamboo plant. This essential Feng Shui plant makes a regular appearance in Indian homes. Ideally placed by a window for indirect sunlight, the lucky bamboo can be grown in both clear water, which needs to be changed every 2 weeks, and in soil. With some efficient pruning, this plant can also be shaped in a variety of organic forms for decorative purposes. Number 4 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is an easy to maintain succulent which caters to health, beauty and your home decor all at once. Known extensively for its various uses, the plant is also fondly called the miracle plant. This ornamental plant needs to be kept near a sunny window where it can get enough light. You only have to water an aloe plant about once a week. Aloe vera is in great danger of being overwatered than being underwatered. Because aloes are succulents, their bodies hold a lot of water. So even if the soil seems too dry, it is likely okay. Number 5 is peace lily. Peace lily is a common house plant that has dark green leaves and white calla-like flowers on tall stems above the foliage. Just be mindful that the peace lily is toxic to pets. They prefer bright filtered natural light. However, the peace lily is tolerant of low light levels. Being a tropical plant, the peace lily does well in high levels of humidity. Water the peace lily enough to keep the potting mix moist but not wet or soggy. Number 6 is Areca palm. This leafy plant can be grown anywhere in the house in indirect sunlight. Make sure it is not exposed to direct sunlight or the leaves will turn yellow. The plant can grow as high as 30 feet outdoors, but it is restricted to about 7 feet at indoor locations. Put it in a small container and the crowded roots will help in limiting the size of the plant. The plant is useful in filtering xylene and toluene from the air. It also works effectively as an effective humidifier. Water enough to keep the soil moist and let it dry a little between waterings in winter. Number 7 is the Song of India plant or Dracaena reflexa. Ideally placed on a side table or the mantle, this slow-growing house plant brings a lively symphony of natural hues to your room with its brightly colored green, lime and yellow leaves. Also known as the Song of India, the Dracaena reflexa plant needs indirect sunlight and regular misting to keep its leaves vibrant. Number 8 is ferns. With their verdant green canopy of leaves, ferns are among the most commonly preferred plants in India. They need moderate levels of sunlight and moist soil to grow well. Daily watering and light spraying of the leaves will keep them healthy and green. Their love of moist air makes ferns perfect houseplants for bright bathrooms or kitchens. If ferns don't get enough humidity, their fronds may turn brown and dry prematurely. Because they like humidity, most ferns are ideal plants for terrariums. Number 9 is the jade plant. The jade plant is a popular succulent house plant with fleshy oval-shaped leaves and thick woody stems that resemble tiny tree trunks. Sometimes called the money plant or lucky plant or friendship plant or a dollar plant. These plants were once thought to bring good luck to their owners, so were often given as housewarming gifts. Jade plants are generally undemanding and easy to grow, but they are susceptible to mealybugs and fungal diseases. Number 10 is rubber plants. Rubber plants are perfect plants for beginner indoor gardeners as they are super tough, have large glossy leaves and grow quickly into an impressive indoor specimen. Great for lush instant greening or filling an empty corner of a room. It is a hardy evergreen plant that usually grows to 8 to 10 feet. Its sap is used to produce rubber, hence the name. It thrives in consistent, bright, filtered light and requires a very moist but well-drained environment. Number 11 is the aglaonemas. They are essentially Chinese evergreen plants. As this is a foliage plant, it adds texture and volume to your room, and the colors are just so bright. The best part is that in spite of being a foliage plant, this is a rather slow growing plant, so it will not outgrow its pot in a hurry. All you have to do is keep the soil moist. Number 12 is ZZ plant. Grow ZZ plant anywhere in your home or office. Do you have only artificial light? No problem. Want to enjoy it in a bright window? It will love it there. ZZ plant is as easygoing about watering as snake plant. If you don't keep the roots wet, it will be happy. Take a look at the roots and you'll see fleshy rhizomes that store water to help it survive periods of drought. These tough as nail plants are perfect for busy gardeners, frequent travelers, and those with black thumbs. Its indestructible nature makes it the perfect plant for the office. Number 13 is syngoniums, also known as arrowhead plant or arrowhead vine or popularly known as goosefoot. Although they start out as compact, well-rounded indoor plants, arrowhead vines, as the name implies, want to spread out and extend in all directions. There are some varieties like the Illusion series that tend to stay more compact. Syngonium varieties are easy care plants as long as you remember to water them. They are low light tolerant houseplants and will grow virtually anywhere in your home. Their leaves display a wide range of colors and patterning, so choose the one that best fits your personality. Although these plants are extremely low light tolerant, they will grow faster and maintain their vibrant coloring and markings if grown in medium to bright indirect light. Direct sun will scorch their leaves. Allow these indoor plants to dry out partially between watering. Number 14 is Peperomia plant. Peperomia is a delightful, easy to grow house plant that's been around for years and is still popular. Part of the reason for Peperomia's popularity is that it's such an easy indoor plant. Plus, it's one of the better small house plants, so you don't need a lot of room to grow it. You must water Peperomia when the soil feels dry to touch. Many varieties of this small houseplant can effectively hold water in their fleshy stems and leaves during times of drought, so they can hold their own if you forget to water or go on vacation. So this is it, and you can pick one up and start adding that pinch of green to your home decor. You don't need a huge terrace or balcony. All you need is a little space right inside your home for these beautiful and useful plants. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end. And please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.